Dear students, in today's video, we are going to discuss the summary of A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. And friends, we have already discussed the summary of this essay, A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise, in Hindi. But in this video, we are going to discuss the summary of this essay, A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise, in English. So let's see its summary. So, friends, in this essay, the writer describes the life of a man who never believed in mere utility. In the absence of useful work, he kept himself busy in whimsical pursuits. He spent most of his time in making pieces of sculpture. He made man, women, and castles, quaint, earthen things dotted over with seashells. Then he painted them. In this way, he wasted his time on all that was useless and needless. And friends, people laughed at him. He tried to shake off his whims, but he failed to do so. He spent his earthly life useless pursuits, but after his death, the aerial messenger sent him to heaven because of an error. In paradise, there's everything except leisure. They make use of every minute. The man from the earth did not fit in with the scheme of things in workers' paradise. Sometimes he walked in the streets absent mindedly. He often jostled the hurrying man. Sometimes he lay down in green meadows or close to the fast flowing streams. So the busy farmers always took him to task. And friend, there was a girl. She used to go every day to a silent torrent to fill her pitcher. And standing by the stream, the idler often watched her. The girl also saw him. She asked him if he had no work to do. The man said that he had no time to spare for work. She promised to spare some work for him. He said that he always wished to take work from her. He asked her to spare her picture to draw picture on it. The girl became annoyed. She said that she had no time to waste on him. Then she went away, and the man used to meet her daily. He always urged her to give him one of her clay pitchers. At last she yielded. She gave him one of her pitchers. He completed his work. She felt puzzled to see it. She asked him the purpose of all those lines and colors. The man laughed. He said that the picture might have no meaning and it might serve no purpose. Taking her picture, the girl went home and she turned her picture round and round and scanned the painting from all angles. At night, she scanned it again and silence. For the first time in her life, she had seen something that had no meaning and no purpose at all. Next day, she went to the stream. She was a bit slow in her movement. A new sense had awakened in her. It had no meaning and no purpose at all. She saw the man by the stream. She asked him in confusion what he wanted from her. He wished to make a colored ribbon for her hair. She could not refuse him, friends. The man made ribbons bright with colors. Now the girl began to spend a lot of time every day tying the colored ribbon around her hair. The minute slipped by unused and unutilized. Much work was left unfinished. People became idle and inactive. The elders became anxious, and a meeting was held. They agreed that such a state of affairs had been unknown in the history of workers' paradise. The Ariel made a confession of the mistake that a wrong man had been brought into the paradise. They summoned the man. The president asked him to leave the place at once, but as he was about to go, the girl came and declared to go with him. The elders felt it as it never happened in workers' paradise. It had no meaning and no purpose at all. So, friend, this is the summary of A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise in English. And very soon we will discuss some important questions and answer of this essay, A Wrong Man in Workers' Paradise, in our upcoming videos. So, till then, you take care.